Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we're gonna do another haul video. Yes, we got some bigger package, some smaller package, and we got probably like 40 other packages for the next videos. Alright, starting with the small one. You're probably wondering why I'm only doing haul videos right now. Ooh, fashion. I think I have this in stamp or something very similar. What I was saying, you might be wondering, why am I only doing haul videos right now? With the work I do, it's very seasonal. I explained this in a few videos ago, but I want to explain it now in case someone wasn't there listening. Mushrooms. Lots of mushrooms, and you can change how it looks. Like this one is, there's two, and then on this part you can put this on top of it so it will look like it has little spots on it. With the work I do, it's very seasonal, so I don't have a lot of time to do any craft work, but I do have a lot of these packages just waiting for me to open them since last summer, and it is April now, so some of these have been sitting there for at least half a year. Therefore, right now I'm only doing these because they're very quick to do, and at least it's a content for you guys to see. So these are cats, so I'm gonna leave that like that. Very strange. Is this a oh, a bear. Okay, that's a bear head, and then you put it on there. We have a cat, a window, and curtains. And then we have lots of cats and a fairy on the moon on a swing. One of my previous hauls, there was something like this, very similar. Oh, I think this was it, or maybe it was a cloud moon. Anyways, I have a few of the swinging fairies, and then here I have a dancing fairy. Kids carrying star torches. What is this? What is that? No. Yeah, I'm not really sure what this one is. I was thinking of maybe like a hijab. No? I have to look it up to see what I bought, because Egyptian. Because I do buy a lot of things and then forget about them. This is beautiful and it's so big. This will be perfect for a wedding card or wedding greeting card. Something like that. And then we have a little child. A fairy child. Another window with the cats. Two different size cats. And then here we have a fairy. I hate when this thing is right on the best parts. Here we have a fairy that's sitting on a little chair, making a toy, it looks like. It kind of looks like Santa's helper, no? So that was the second or third package. Okay, next package. Dun dun dun. We got, I think this was a gift. They're like gold, sparkly, very thin lines. It's so thin you can see through it. Sequins. Someone said that the name of these little bits are sequins. Sequins? Beautiful. Look at all these colors. Making shakers out of this. Imagine. Oh, some of them are falling out. Very beautiful colors. Very vivid. And really good combination. I really like this one. It's similar, but I prefer this one because I think the blue in here stands out more than the blue up there. Then we have a gold, just a regular purple, and these colors. Very nice. Now it's all over my work area. Very good. I don't know how some people feel about shopping on... I don't know how some people feel shopping about Aliexpress, but I feel like it's just more options on than going to a store and buying these. Alright, so, ow, these are silicone mats I bought for creating like shapes with hot tools, like with a hot glue, and I can put shapes on here and it will dry without actually sticking to whatever is underneath. So I think this is like a perfect area to do something big, and I was thinking doing that and then putting some paste on it and then coloring them, and then making like 3D Christmas ornaments, or just a little things to put on gift baskets. Alright, we have two big package. I try to save the big ones for last so we can look through them non-stop. Alright. Okay, let's see what we have in here. A little, looks like maybe a haunted house. Well, like a very old church, maybe. I call this a background. Looks very nice. It takes up a lot of space. We have a rose. We have some plates. It's on the other side. Very cute. And then we have this big house. About a hand. Big house. And then little details come with it. Yes, you know, storing these is kind of a hassle. The cutting dies, because it's so big. It's bigger than the average cutting die. You have to like find proper storage for it, which can be not the greatest thing. Alright, for this one you can take off one of the frames, and then we have some diamond shapes, and then this beautiful little Christmas, well, it could be a circle. As you can see, there's a circle around it, or you can keep it like this in the frame. I think it's very, very pretty. Alright, so we have these, a couple of these. What this does is it indents into the card, or the paper we're using, and leaves these marks on it. And I've got a few of these in here. This is flower, and this is just like circles. I see some butterflies over here too. Yeah, this could be very nice. Sometimes I forgot which paper. I was using pink. Not pastel pink, but just a little bit darker than pastel pink. Like a dry rose pinkish. And once it's indented into it, you could see the white on the inside of the paper. So it almost looked like these little dots were white. It came out very beautiful. This and this one, very nice. And then we have these two, a flower and a bird frame Christmas tree. It's not the same as the one previously, slightly different. And then we have three big backgrounds. This one's with the little hearts. This one is with the bigger hearts. And then there is a mid-size hearts. Very similar to this one, but more space in between. Alright. Now let's open the last package, which is pretty big. Or sometimes they just like really package it up with bubble wrapping, and it turns out to be one tiny little thing. But no, we got some good stuff in here. Oh yes. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at this, macarons. And they're pretty big. Like, these are actually very big. Well, what am I gonna do with that? Peace, love, and macarons. Yes. Delicious. You know what? This will be perfect for a recipe page in a journal. Alright, then we have the circle that we can use to make a shaker with some cute little animals. Then we have these rats. Tea time rats. And with it comes a cutting die. So I'm going to put these together. And then we have flower 1 and flower 2. With some great sentiments. I really like when the sentiment looks like this. On the side it looks big, like this one. Big and clean. So it's easy to emboss on it. Heat emboss. Rather than this one right here, because it could get a little messy with the tiny details. Wow, look at this. These flowers smell so good. They're purple, and I always forget the name of it. Dutch, German, yes. Some wiener dog, some pretzel, beer, hot dog, yum. Then we have some transportation, which I think is really good. I really like this kind of stem because the lines are clean, crispy, and sharp. It doesn't change sizes as it goes, and it doesn't look like it's very crowded. We have a Halloween edition. Got this really cool bus with a pumpkin, spider, skeleton. Halloween greetings. Happy haunting. Yes. Very nice. And we got some cute little ghosts. Look at those ghosts. Does it have a lazy eye? Yes, that ghost has a lazy eye. Alright, flowers. Puppy flowers. We got very good happy birthday sentiment. What I don't like about these, that I feel like the birthday and the flower has nothing in common. So when you're organizing, and if you do like I do, you organize by theme. Like the Halloween is gonna go to the Halloween, but this is mainly flower, so it's gonna go into the flower. And if I'm looking for a happy birthday sentiment, I'm not gonna look in the flower section. So if anyone has some ideas, please let me know. How could I manage this? I was thinking about maybe cutting it off and then putting it together with some other sentiments and then put it into the sentiments. Then I feel like it would just make a little bit of mess. So if anyone has an idea, please let me know. Okay, next one I have this fantasy edition. We got some dragons, unicorns, castle. You can get very creative with it. Even got him, the Loch Ness monster. Nice. I think these are pretty good. Unicorn. We can definitely use these in Harry Potter projects. This, yeah, dragons. Nice. Then we have a stencil. Very big stencil. I love it. This is perfect for journaling. Just whenever you use a stencil, make sure you tape the edges with washi tape. Not regular clear tape, because it will ruin whatever you taped it to. But make sure you tape it down with washi tape. I'm sure most people who watch this video knows this already, but yeah, it doesn't hurt to give out some ideas you have, because there's always someone who could use that. So this came with a cutting die, which is very good. We got some candles, some champagne, cocktails, and the balloons. So I'm thinking if you stamp this, it'll be one big stamp, but maybe on top of it you can stamp a sentiment or an image and then heat emboss that. Then I was looking for this and I did not find it. This, I thought maybe some of the things they sent, this was the cutting die for it, but I did not see any stem that had a truck, pickup truck. Yeah, I'm not really sure what to do with this one. Maybe they forgot to include the stamp, or they maybe sent it separately, I'm not sure. And the last one for this video is this big flower, which is, I think, beautiful. It has very clean and crispy lines. It's easy to color. There's a lot of space to color. So this one should be very good. Good sentiments too. For a friend like you. Nice. So I hope you enjoy this video. I've got a lot more things to see. But if you're interested just in the haul videos, I have a playlist called Haul. Where I show you all the things I bought online. And in source too. So thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.